Good evening, guys. Today we'll learn about index match formula. Before that, we'll download some dummy data to practice on. I would request you all to please subscribe to my channel, and we'll go to Excel practice online to download the data for practice purpose. Excel practice data, this is a tab where you can get the dummy data. Okay, I've already downloaded the data, which consists of electronic equipments, actual price and discount price. So out of the whole list, I just want the data for few selected items. So first of all, we'll see what does index formula consist of. So index formula has three major parameters, that is the array, this is the whole area. Okay, wherever your data is available, that is called as array area, and we have we require the row number to get the index output. Then we also need the column number. Okay, so we can get this row and column number using match formula. So we'll see how it works. So first we'll study about match. So match, we are saying look up for this particular value, comma, in this particular cell or column, comma, 0 0 is my default value for exact match, and it says air condition is in 3. Okay, it's also say dishwasher is in 7, row number 7, and coffee grinder in row number 11, so and so forth. Okay, now I want to check the column number for actual price and discount. So I'll say match lookup for column number, freeze it, comma, I'll give the reference of the area where this column belongs. So I'll freeze this range as well, and comma 0 for exact match, enter. So it says actual price in column number 9 and discount is in 10. So we'll check. So here you can see column number 9 has actual price and discount price is in column number 10. Okay, so it is giving the correct output. Now we'll merge all the three formulas. So first of all, index, select the whole range area, freeze it, comma, match for air condition, freeze the cell, comma, look for air condition in this particular area, freeze it, comma, 0, bracket close. Then we'll search for the column number using match. So match, search for this particular column, freeze the column, comma, search for this particular column in this area, freeze the range, and then 0, bracket close, enter. Now we'll simply drag the formula and see if the formula is working or not. Okay, so air condition is 686 with 2% discount. Then we have dishwasher with 465 and 7% discount. Then we have washing machine 760 with 5% discount, so and so forth. Please comment in my chat box if you have any queries or any further questions.